How to make highlights private on Facebook. Start by opening the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view posts from your friends and pages that you follow. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Menu. Go to your profile at the top. Scroll down and go to the Highlights section. Tap on any to open it. Here, tap on the three dots at the top. Then, select Edit Highlight. As you can see, your highlights are set to public. Go back to the previous page as shown and select Delete Highlight. Tap on OK to confirm. Now, tap on Menu at the bottom right corner. Scroll down and go to Settings and Privacy. Then, tap on Settings. Go to the Audience and Visibility section and tap on Stories. Here, go to Who can see your stories. Select Custom. You can now choose friends to show your story to from here. Then, tap on Done at the top. After that, tap on Save below. Tap on Save again to confirm. Following these steps, you can easily make highlights private on Facebook.